what's going on, Special Assault and Submission here, back in the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition, and we are going to hardcore parkour. Whoosh. Okay. Screw the police. Alright.
You have a car in here?
Yes, I have a car in there, you dumb monkey.
Here you go.
Alright, so what are we going to be listening into? Oh! Sorry. Every time I come back to this game, I am the worst driver ever. I don't know, maybe there's worse than me, but I'm a pretty bad driver when I first start this game up again. That one wasn't bad. That wasn't a bad drift. I also wasn't going like 100. What do you mean? I'm here.
Can I help you with something?
Yeah. Are you Ping?
No, there's no Ping.
How about the owner then?
I'm the owner, which is not Ping.
All right, not Ping. I'm picking up hardware for Orange Lotus. You know it?
Orange Lotus? Sure. This is some pretty sophisticated stuff. Sure you can handle it?
I'll manage.
My number's on the package. You need a hand getting slot X into socket Y? Give me a call.
That sounded dirty.
Did you get the bug?
I got it.
When are you guys gonna learn? You can't outrun and out parkour the Sultan and the Wei Shen. You just can't. I hit the button. Move. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Well. Someone took a bath. Oh, it looked like them two was fighting. Oh, you should have jumped on him, just like broke his back. Just go away, go. You can do it. No, I hit. Get your dumb punk ass. Oh, fatality. Alright, there we go.
Did you get the bug?
I got it.
Our surveillance team reports that you should be able to get onto the roof from the construction site next door. Whatever you do, don't let them see you planting that bug.
No shit.
You think? And about that, I'm not next door anymore. At least he's protective when he's riding a motorcycle. He always puts on his helmet. That's a plus, you know, especially when you're crashing into everything possible. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, and sometimes you gotta crash into stuff, and sometimes you gotta be safe and put on your helmet. Sometimes. We usually are not that safe. Donuts. Woo. I could eat a donut right now. That sounds kind of good, actually. Go away. Get up there. Cut to. I love how you're running up an invisible freaking wall. Woo-hoo-hoo-wee! Nailed it. That was not clumsy. I hit stupid button. Okay. Parkour is so cool and so fun to do.
How'd the
can fight, huh?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
Hey, don't try that shit. You got something to say, talk.
大佬，你聽我講啊 It's too easy. This guy comes out of nowhere just when Dog Guy is pressing us.
Oh, trust me. I knew him when he was a kid.
Hey, I'm getting some noodles from the kitchen. You want some?
Sure. Why not?
What kind?
They're fucking noodles, Vincent. Whatever's back there.
I kind of feel like pork.
So get Paul.
You want pork too?
你有冇搞錯啊？
There we go. Now we gotta put these back together and be like, chicka chicka. Oh, they had a thing. I'm gonna take the thing. If only it was that easy picking locks. Wait, that was a cop mission? I try not to do the cop missions, I don't like them. What? You want some, punk? Talking shit. Hey! No smoking on the job! Can I tackle the cop? Tackle the cop! Nope! Can't tackle a cop. I don't know why I thought I would be able to. Oh, I am going to move a lot. You are not touching me. I know you said don't move, but I said I'm going to. Hold it. Nope. That didn't work. No, I hit.
I was following Crazy Loud on.
Bitch. Go! Oh god, they're shooting. They are shooting. They are not happy. They are not happy. Q. Oh god. Go away. This is not going to work very well. Ow. I have 2 blown tires. Oh god. Just run. Can I get through here? Nope. I'm not here. Oh god. Shit. I hit the button.
I was following Crazy Loud all night. Did he say anything? I say stop! There's nowhere to run! Police! Stop!
There's plenty of places to run.
Just give it up! I say stop! There's nowhere to run! Give yourself up, and I might think about going easy on you.
I'm not giving myself up, buddy.
Hands on your head!
Nope. Ain't happening.
Just give it up! He's running your way! Give yourself up, and I might think about going easy on you.
I wonder how many times I've been arrested so far.
Stop! Give it up! We'll
Shut
fight.
up.
Don't make me chase you! Get down on the ground, now! He's running your way! You've got nowhere to run!
No, you stupid monkey.
Right now! Give it up! Police! Gangster! Freeze!
Why did... No, you were supposed to vault over it.
Surrender! Give it up!
Move.
No use in running!
I'm trying to find a place to out parkour. Ooh, here we go. About that probably did nothing, but you know, sometimes I like to believe it did. Give me your motorcycle. How about it? Oh god, that's a cart. Woo. Rampage. Oh! I finally got away from him. Ow! Alright. Let's find some new karate moves, shall we? Nope, face forward so I can see where you're going. Thank you. How far away is this? 500 meters. It's kind of meh. Wait, stop! Get out of my way. Get out of my way, you mere plebeians. Hello. And now perfect drift. Oh, that wasn't really a perfect drift, but you know, it was okay. I think maybe.
I found one of your statues.
Oh, the dog. Excellent. I promised myself I wouldn't train members of the Triads anymore. Not good for one's karma.
What makes you think I'm in the Triads?
Don't lie to me. If there are things you can't reveal, don't. But never lie.
How do we talk about the things I can't reveal?
We don't need to. I knew you well once. I don't believe people change that much.
I appreciate your faith.
Yay!
What would you like to learn?
Alright, so we can either do this one, which is charged knee stunt, or we can do the leg break. This one. I want to break people's legs just... I mean like that. So you gotta grapple them, punch them, and then hold. Oh. You want some too? Yeah. Ow. Ow. This guy won't let me grapple him. There we go. Where you think you're going, punk?
Stop by again.
Oh, those two finish kicks. It was just nailed it. Alright, I want to break someone's leg. Come here. First person I see. Oh, there's a person who wants help over here. But
all right. You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple of rounds.
oh, Fight Club.
Come on, tough guy. You got nothing to lose but your teeth.
Ooh. Easy.
All right. You keep winning, I keep paying.
Ow. Nah, fam. What? What can I run you into? Dumpster! Nope. Whoa. I love the slow motion it does. It's so cool.
All right. You keep winning, I keep paying.
I'll keep winning. Oh, right in the mug. Alright, who's gonna hit next? Nope. Ugh. Hoochawabba. These ones look like they're junky.
I keep paying.
Oh, that dude's... Is that a grappler? I don't know whether it's a grappler or a heavy hitter. Nope. Oh. I think that one's a grappler, and you have to heavy hit them. If I remember Ow. Ow, come on. Come on, I hit the button. Nope. Oh, yeah. Roll, Tubby, roll. Oh, God.
All right. You keep winning, I keep paying.
That's a lot of people. Who wants some? Next. With a lot of people, you just gotta take your time and counter the moves. This fucking... That dude is the one that's doing basically everything. Damn it, I hit the wrong button. Ow. Oh. Ow. Oh. That it? Jeez, you're a strong one. Woo. Holy crap, how many people is there gonna be?
I keep paying.
Ow. Nope. Ow. Oh god. No, 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 no. I hit the button. No, 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 no. Okay, I need to be oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. No, nope, 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 nope. See ya. Alright, now that that dude's out of the way, this will be so much easier. Ow.
捉佢啊！係時候做嘢啦！走啊！
Oh!
你冇機會啊！
Just the sound of the bar itself was brutal. Nope, 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 nope. Mm-mm. Ow.
My fans love a good loser.
No! No! Do I have to do all 5 rounds again?
All right, all right, all right. You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple of rounds.
If I have to do... Yep, I do. Okay, we are back at round 6. And there's 2 big guys. Those are the guys I have to be worried about. Because I can only pretty much do strong moves on them because they want to grapple. And they're really hard to combat against. Especially with dealing with 4 other people. Get out of here, punk! Get out of here, Tubby, you're nothing. No! Ow. Wah! Wah!
我睇你走去邊啊！
Oh!
叫你個老母！
Nope. Cool. No, 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 no. Oh, it's just you now. And see ya. Hello? Wait. You're still alive. See ya. It was actually really easy.
Seriously, that's the best you can do.
Is that it? Bruh. Ooh, 15,000. We will do one quick mission. I gotta sneeze. Alright, sorry about that. Which one do I want to do? Ball. Alright, let's go do a new case, I guess. Real quick. Wait, why did I just get randomly $16? I don't know. We are very, very close to this place, and hopefully it doesn't take a really long time. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I kinda did, but I kinda didn't. It's like, yeah, maybe. You want some? Huh? Break. Anyway. I'm here!
Inspector.
Away. I'm glad you're here. What do you know about the underground racing circuit?
Well, they drive fast. Occasionally they crash into something.
Yeah, and occasionally they end up killing each other.
Well, that's manslaughter at best.
But these last couple of files don't feel like manslaughter to me. It's got more of a deliberate feel to it.
You want me to check it out?
Yeah. Get into the circuit and see what you can find out.
All right. See you.
Ooh, we gonna be racing in person? Hello. Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm Wei Shen. You up for a race?
Yeah, sure. Long as you don't mind losing.
Oh, this is a nice car. Hopefully it makes it to the race. I'm here. Ooh. These guys gonna die. And by die, I mean lose. This car has shitty acceleration though. Come on, Sultan. Frick. Ow. I love how they race through the cop place. No. Hang on. Wait. Oh, I can ram him. Ooh, we can be a cheeky bugger. Get her out of here. Frick. This is my town. This is my race. You guys ain't gonna do nothing about it. Okay. This person's getting really close, so I may need to ram them. Be a Dodge Ram. Here they come. Ah, why did you not turn sharp enough? Go, Sultan, go! We cannot lose this race. Yeah, what now? Alright, third place. Come on, come on, come on! Oh, oh god. Rampage. Unintentional rampage. Nope, that didn't work. I was trying to ram them, but they didn't want to be rammed. And now we're going to lose, aren't we? I don't want to lose! No! Go! 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 Oh god. I didn't mean to. It's not my fault I ramped off with another car. Oh god. No. Fuck off. Yes. 88%. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. I don't think so. That ain't happening. It ain't happening, brother. Oh, is this it? This the end? Oh, no. Oh.
Good win. Lucky for you, those Amars kept getting in the way. 1 in a million shot.
You want a rematch?
Yeah, sure. I'll take you.
When you're ready for the big time, let me know. Everybody knows I'm the best driver in the city. Everyone.
Oh, yeah? I'll take you down too, hotshot. Just as soon as my car is fixed.
Oh. Well, this will be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please do show the love down below. Over drop the like button, roundhouse subscribe button to become a specialist yourself. And thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now.